Hello, please check here. This side. Our engineer thinks this side in your machine have some problems. This side, only this side, and these things have the problem. Firstly, you need to make sure which side is not wild wheel. You can by stick this. You need to see carefully this thing and this thing. It's very nice, but in your machine it can have some problems. Maybe this wear, maybe this wear. Something not the elastic level is not good. Not the thing. So you need to check. Check here. It has four squares here. In one ultrasonic. And if the out part is not well, you need to lose this square and this square to let the ultrasonic up a little, or here, or this square or this square. It's control one side. Two squares control one side. If this side is not well, you need to right there. You need to check. This is you need to check which side is not wild wheel. It's hard to buy. You need to check, please.